love is strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a lone wolf.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. Today, I'm at Abington Equipment in Abington, Virginia, where I'm learning how to use this Kubota TLB to pick this basketball off this cone. Dealer is going to close here pretty soon, so I thought I would do one practice run on camera, just so for me to look back on and for you guys to kind of see what I'm doing. So, if you guys ever need any kind of Kubota equipment and you're in the Southwest Virginia area, definitely check out Abington Equipment. These guys have been so nice and so helpful in letting me practice on their equipment. Definitely guys, check them out. I'll put a link below.
Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go with the windows, I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whisper in the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a lone wolf.
Alright guys, so this is the machine. It's a Kubota L47 tractor loader backhoe. Just a real quick walk around because I think the dealership is officially closed. I need to go in and thank those guys profusely. So, yeah, it's a great machine, and I'm going to be using it at a competition next Friday. I'm going to put out a video here pretty soon explaining what the competition is and what I'm doing. Special thanks again to Abington Equipment for having me and letting me use their wonderful Kubota L47. Until I see you guys again, let's landscape together.